Hey, welcome. In this session, we want to speak about what AI actually is. Before I come to you with a perfect definition of AI, I want that we reason a bit together what AI could be. And for that, I would ask you to think a little bit, what is AI and what is not AI? We have asked, for example, people in our courses to give us some thoughts, what is AI and what's not. And some of them think like AI is able to solve problems based on what inputs it gets, to which it will produce a certain output. And that is somehow, on a very high level, quite correct. And others say, yeah, even a system of predefined rules that is even not self-learning can be already AI. And also later we will see in a broader definition of AI that also fits very well. Some others think that a system caused by natural evolution, such as a human child, might also be AI, and that's definitely not AI because that's human intelligence. And also a system which predefined rules, something is thought that's not AI, but that is a bit up to discussion. And if you have a very broad thought what AI could be, then it also belongs to AI. So what do you think? What is AI and what not? Please, in the following small section, fill in some thoughts what can be AI and what not.